Hi there, let me tell you about digital marketing and how it can help you in your career. Digital marketing is a way of advertising to people digitally through different channels such as search engines, websites, social media platforms, emails, and mobile application. It allows marketers to interact with their audience better and gain their trust. One of the best things about digital marketing is that it shows ads to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet. This makes it more effective and less expensive than traditional forms of advertising. I discovered digital marketing a few years ago and realized there were so many opportunities in this field. As a digital marketer, I have the chance to work with some of the biggest companies in the world, like Amazon. So if you're looking to expand your skills and grow in your career, consider exploring the world of digital marketing. As a digital marketing expert, I can tell you that digital marketing is a vast and ever-evolving field with various types of marketing strategies available to choose from. Some of the popular types include content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of each type to determine which one would be most effective for a particular business. In my case, I applied my knowledge by setting up a digital marketing campaign for my uncle's e-commerce website. Now let's take a closer look at the campaign I came up with. To start my digital marketing campaign, I began by creating different types of content such as blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies. This type of marketing is called content marketing, and its purpose is to generate interest in a brand's products or services. After creating the content, I needed to make sure that my target audience could find it. I did this by optimizing the website with specific search keywords and building backlinks from credible websites. By doing this, the website gradually started to rank higher in the search results. This is known as search engine optimization or SEO, and I was able to achieve all of this without spending any money. I then continued to optimize the website to improve its ranking until it reached the top spot. As a digital marketing expert, let me tell you about the various ways to drive traffic to a specific website. One of them is through pay-per-click or PPC, where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your advertisement. This can be in the form of text ads in search engine results, image ads, or video ads on websites. Another effective method is through social media marketing, where you can advertise your brand on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. This helps you reach a wider audience and engage with them through posts, images, videos, and more. You can also use paid ads on social media platforms to advertise your brand's products or services. By utilizing these methods, you can promote your brand and attract more customers. After diving into the different types of digital marketing, I discovered that I needed to engage with my audience to keep them interested and increase the likelihood of a purchase. To achieve this, I use email marketing to send helpful information about the products or services, as well as advertising emails to potential customers. I also noticed that I could get more traffic from third-party websites with the help of affiliate marketing. This involved having affiliates promote their brand or product to their audiences for a fee based on email signups, registrations, conversions, subscriptions, and more. Once I had implemented all the different types of digital marketing, I faced the biggest challenge, waiting for the results. In the meantime, let's pause and take a quiz. Can you identify the form of marketing that involves engaging and nurturing your audience to engage them to purchase your products or services? Is it SEO, PPC, email marketing, or affiliate marketing? Let us know your answer in the comments section. Now back to the video. Despite my best efforts, my digital marketing campaigns only achieved moderate success. It was then that I realized I needed to expand my knowledge and explore other strategies. After I realized the vastness of digital marketing, I decided to dive deeper into it. I then discovered the different types of digital marketing such as content marketing, SEO, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. To generate interest in my uncle's e-commerce website, I created various types of content, optimized the website, and made sure it ranked high in search results. I also utilized paid advertising through text, image, and video ads on search engines and social media platforms. To keep the audience engaged, I used email marketing to send helpful information and advertise the products or services to potential customers. And finally, I used affiliate marketing to gain more traffic from third-party websites. Although I only had moderate success initially, I realized I needed to gain more knowledge and expertise in digital marketing. Thus, I took up a digital marketing certification course and become an expert digital marketer. You too can grow in your career by taking up the course. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more on the latest technologies and trends.